Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to discuss how to create merged events, how to alter the display name of events, and how to add descriptions to your events as well. To begin, we'll start by accessing the Settings tab from the top and selecting Events and Properties from the drop-down menu. Now for this example, let's say I want to make an event that represents all of the email activity that I'm collecting. So to begin, I will first start by selecting the checkbox next to each email-related event that I want to merge. And then you'll notice I get a little pop-up here. I'm going to select Join Selected from the list. I then need to create a joined event name, so I'll rename this Email Activity, and then click Save. Now if you notice, I still have those three events that I merged together, and if I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see I will get a new event. Oh, looks like it's right up here, representing the joined event of all email activity, right up here at the top of the list. Now if I want to change what the description of an event is within the events and property list, what I'll do here, I'll take this new merged event that I created, and in here I can add any sort of description I want. So why don't we describe this as being all email related activity. And then if I want to alter the display name of any of my events, what I'll do is find the event that I want to change. So in this case, why don't we change this Create Profile event from Add to Cart, which doesn't appear to be correct, and we'll rename it something more along the lines of Created Profile. So now when I find this event from within my event list, as I'm building queries, they will be named the right way.
For now, happy analyzing.